The guys just cleared out, and I don't mind all this mess. They got here at 6:50 in the morning and started working, started hammering and all. Actually, someone complained on Facebook, I heard. Not that I care, but somebody complained about the noise. Anyway, 6:50, they just left. It's about 4 o'clock. They poured all the concrete today, all of it. And this is gonna be the patio right here with an awning, a little bit of, you know, free space here. And I noticed, I don't know how they're gonna do the beams, but I noticed these things here. I'm assuming they mark where the beams are gonna go or something. I don't know, I saw them walking on it, so wow. This is my backyard now. The guy said it doesn't seem that big, but when you put up walls, it seems bigger on the inside, because it actually does seem smaller, a little bit smaller than I expected. You know, still huge, of course, but it just seems smaller. But then I think once the walls go up and it is a building, they very nicely filled this in for me. I was a little worried about that. Also worried about bugs and spiders and all sorts of crap getting in here. So I'm gonna keep this well poisoned. Keep this, and we do have that wall over there, but this is it. This is the slab. It's really weird. Like a gigantic porch. So cool. And then a drop off. So this is a drop off. We are going to have a door and a window over here, a regular door just like that, and then the big garage door over here. I also noticed they did a great job. They worked so hard. I noticed they have this little, I don't like that lip right there, because when I bring things in it's going to hit it, but there is a nice little down area here. So I said, he goes, it's dry, man, it's dry. I'm like, can I drive my lawnmower up here in it? Oh no, you need to wait a couple days. Not that I'm going to, I was just curious. He said it was dry, so I asked. I'm not going to do anything until walls come up. So it's supposed to rain tomorrow, start raining for several days. So got a bit of a drop off here. I'm not sure what we're going to do with this front area. Thinking about probably, this is going to be a fire pit, I think, over here. Thinking about painting this white or brown or something, just to kind of let it fade. I don't know, what can you do with the wall? Make a table out of it or something? Make a work area out of it? I don't know. Do have a wall here, and it will need stairs at some point because we're gonna have a door like right here. But oh well, we'll deal with that later. Just happy this is here, real happy.